Hi, my name is Gene, and today we're going to look at an app that was designed for a preschool. I'm going to go through the features and explain to you how this application could be used to make things easier for the parents and make things easier for the school. So I'm going to show you on a simulator on my desktop, and this is how the application would look on an Android device. When we publish the application, it's going to be live on both the Android Google Play Market and also the iPhone App Store for iPhones. So immediately when you open the app, you're going to notice that there's two navigation tabs at the top. There's Home, and then there's Contact, and then there's three more navigation buttons on the face of the screen. We're looking at the home screen now. All of our artwork is custom artwork, and so we design the application around your school with your logo and your branding. The first thing we'll see here is a curriculum. So if your school has curriculum, we can list the various curriculums that you have for the different age groups. To give you an example, here's the toddler program for kids 18 to 24 months. And if you scroll through this, you'll see the information here. This is information that we were able to get off of the website. And this is the menu for the other curriculums. These are all interactive, and these all are scrollable. So if we go back to the home page once again, the next thing we're going to see is the one-touch calling. If a parent opens the app and taps here, it's going to load up with a phone number, and it's ready to dial. We're also going to see a contact screen at the top. These are various ways that parents can get in contact with the school, or even those that are interested in enrolling their children. So, for example, you're going to see another one-touch call button here, a map with GPS directions. So they're going to click on this or tap on this with their finger, and then it'll open up, it'll capture their GPS location and navigate them turn by turn to the school. One-touch emailing. The email address is set to a particular email address, so all the email comes to a certain place. The share feature. This is where one parent can share the app with another parent. They can share it by email, or they can share by Facebook. If they share by Facebook, it automatically gets posted on their Facebook page for all to see. You're also going to see here the social media icons. The school has a Facebook account, a Twitter account, and a YouTube account. So all of these are hooked up also, so that the user has various ways of knowing what's going on with the school, and also various ways of getting in contact with the school. If we go back to the home page, we're going to see also a More menu. The More menu is going to take us to a custom menu that we made, and these are all interactive tabs. So the About is going to give us information about the school. We can scroll through here, reading about the history of the school. The Staff is going to give us information about the staff. We can also include staff pictures if you'd like to do that. The Gallery. This is a photo gallery of pictures from the school, and you can swipe to the left and scroll through the photo gallery. You're also going to see an events calendar. The events calendar will take you over to the Android calendar, and if there's a particular event, it'll be highlighted with a dot, and if you click on that dot, it'll display below what the event is that's scheduled for that day. This is a reward stamp card, so we set this up for good behavior. The teachers can individually use these for their classrooms. Let me give an example of how this works. So we set this one up for good behavior. So if you get 5 good playground behavior stamps, you receive a surprise from your teacher. So if you go to the menu on the Android phone and you tap on Get Stamp, and then you type in the secret code, which in this case is school. The only people that would know the secret code would be the teachers. It says your card has been stamped. And so as soon as we put 5, 1 for each day of the week, and so hopefully by Friday they would earn some type of reward for good behavior. Going back to the More menu, you're also going to see forms. This is an example of a waiver form, but it's actually a signable, executable form within the application. So for example, if you want to put a field trip permission form, if you want to put a form that allows somebody who's not authorized to pick up a child, for example, let's say that both parents have to work, and so they have to call grandma or grandpa to pick up the child, but there has to be a release form signed. This can be accessed directly from within the app. You can have a list of forms, and then you can even have an application for enrollment. And then when they click on the form that they want, it takes them over to the form and they electronically sign it. When they electronically sign it, EchoSign, which is the program that we use, you can see here EchoSign, captures the IP address and it becomes a legal binding contract. So you can put all your forms there. You can also allow parents to pay tuition through the application. We can accept Google Checkout or Google Wallet. We can accept PayPal, or if your merchant processing uses Authorize.net, we can install an Authorize.net gateway. Messages. This is probably, in my estimation, the most valuable feature. Well, I mean, all the features are valuable, but I personally like this one the best. What happens is once a person installs the application on their phone, they now have opted in to receive what are called push notifications. Push notifications can be sent out from a control board, from a client dashboard that we give you. So the owner of the app has a client dashboard, and you log into the client dashboard, and you can send out any type of notice that you want, and it goes out to all the parents. So for example, for this particular example, we put emergency notification: dear parents, we have a broken water main at the school and we need all students picked up immediately. Thank you. And then this actually pops up on the face of the phone. It doesn't even have to be open. The application, the school application, doesn't have to be open. If the phone is even laying on the table, for example, on the desktop, it'll vibrate or chime or whatever it's set to do when it receives a notification, and when the person picks it up, this is the first thing they're going to see. So this is a very important and powerful way to communicate with your parents. You can once again inform them of school hours if you're going to be closed for a holiday, or in the example that we're showing here, emergency situations, or just general announcements that you want to send out to all the parents or all the people who have installed this application. You can also, another way of using this is to offer special deals on tuition. If your school does that, you can actually send out a monthly special for new students. And a lot of times what will happen is if you put on your website that your school now has a mobile application, and you put it on your printed media or any place you advertise that your school has an iPhone and an Android app, people will install it if you put on there that there's special deals for application users. And then what happens is they install the application on their phone, you send out a special, for example, and it goes out to all the users. Reviews. Reviews is a place where there's no reviews showing here because this is in demo mode, but reviews is a place where parents can leave reviews, comments about the school. The nice thing about this, unlike the internet, is that there's some accountability. So you have to log in with your Facebook credentials in order to leave a review. And if there is a review that is inappropriate, we have total control over this, so we can remove it at any time. All right, once again, you're going to see incredible artwork. We're very proud of the artwork that we create, and we create our artwork so that no two applications look alike. There's other features that we have available. Please talk to your sales rep or visit our website for more information. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to doing business with you. If you have any questions, please let us know.